Let's do an evening pump together while I tell you guys how I lost 3,000 ounces of breast milk. So this is a long-awaited video, and I'm so sorry that I took so long, but it just really hurts my soul that this happened to me. I'm gonna get straight to the point. The reason I lost 3,000 ounces is because my husband accidentally disconnected my deep freezer. Yes. Did I want to kill him? Absolutely. I was extremely mad at my husband. I mean, we were not talking for like 3-4 days because I was just so upset. I just couldn't get over the fact that I made such a ridiculous mistake to disconnect my deep freezer. I mean, I was just extremely mad, and until this day I am, of course, still a little upset about losing my milk stash. I worked for a whole year. On top of that, I donated about like 4,000 ounces to NICU babies. So what I had left in the deep freezer was, of course, for my daughter. But I actually had to change my flanges midway pumping session because I was just getting a clogged duct, and this setup just helped me. But yeah, guys, that was 4 ounces for my nighttime pump. And